Morning children, I'm your moral science teacher, Ma'am Asha Singh. We have already done chapter number 1 and today we shall be doing chapter number 2, and that is who is God. The moral of this lesson is God is the creator. The meaning of creator is the one who creates, the one who makes. Then preserver. Preserver means the one who saves and the one who protects. And destroyer. Destroyer means the one who brings an end to things, of all things in this world. And you know this, who is the creator, preserver and destroyer of this world? It is God. Children, do you see this hand? Hand creates. These hands are, our hands are very important because we do all our work with the hand. The hand is the maker, the creator of things. So this is the hand of the God, and see how many things He has created. He has created the river, He has created the sun, He has created the mountains, the clouds, the moon, the birds. He has created animal life, vegetation, plants and trees, and human life. So God is great because He has created. And for whom He has created all this, the whole world, He has created the whole world for all of us so that we can live happily in this world. We don't lack anything in this world. So children, you must thank the Lord every day for all that He has given us. And you children, children, that no one has seen God, but He is always there. He is present everywhere and He watches us all the time. He rewards us when we do good things and He punishes us when we do bad things. So always try to be very good. And God saves us from danger when we pray Him truly and with whole heart. He comes to our rescue. He always helps us. He helps us from danger. And this, children, I can tell you through this story. You can see this. Can you see this picture? Here in this picture, this is a parrot. And the name of this parrot is Pinky. And this is a monkey. And his name is Chimpu. Both of them were very good friends. They always ate together, they played together, they laughed together, they had very good time together. Now one day what happened? In the forest, a hunter came. Do you see this man with a gun? He's the hunter. Hunter means who kills animals. Can see he has got a gun in his hand and he's pointing at Pinky. He wants to kill Pinky. Now when he aimed at Pinky, on the other tree, Chimpu was sitting. When Chimpu saw this, he at once shouted, "Pinky, fly away!" And when Pinky heard this, it flew away. And the hunter could not kill Pinky. Do you know, children, who has saved Pinky? It is actually God who has saved Pinky through Chimpu. So remember that God helps His own people through His own people. He does not come Himself, but He helps through His own people. So children, let's see question answer. First, in your notebook, you will write down chapter 2, who is God? And after that, you will write down the quotation of the chapter. God is the creator, preserver and destroyer of all things in this world. And now let's see exercise number 8. Answer these questions. First question is, how many friends do you have? I have. Children, you can write any number here. I have written 4. You can write down 2, 3, 4, 5. As many friends as you have. Right? And question number 2 is, write the names of any 2 of your friends. You have to write any 2 names of your friends. For girls, I have written down from my side, Sita and Geeta. You can write the names of your friends. For boys, I have written down Sam and Tom. Question number 3. Whom do you pray to every morning at school? Children, who do you pray? You pray, I pray to God every morning at school. Your question number 4 is, Who has made this world? Of course, God has made this world. Question number 5. Who protects all of us from danger? God protects us from danger. Question number 6. Does God like bad people? No. God does not like bad people. Now your exercise B is fill in the blanks. First is no one has seen God. It is our duty to keep everything around us clean and tidy. Third is we should all be grateful to God for His love, care and protection. Fourth, Chimpu is the name of a monkey. Fifth, Chimpu and Pinky were friends. Number 6, Chimpu saved Pinky from the hunter. Now exercise C. Write true or false. First is, God has made all your teachers. True. Second, Pinky and Chimpu never spoke to each other. False, because they were friends. Third, Chimpu was a parrot and Pinky was a monkey. False. Pinky and Chimpu often ate together. That's true. Fifth, the hunter had a gun with him. True. Sixth, the hunter caught Pinky in the end. False. Now children, your homework. First, this is for your parents. So dear parents, please help your ward write answers in the moral science notebook. Exercise number A, that is question answer, will be done in the notebook. Exercise B and C, that is fill in the blanks and true and false, will be done in the book itself. Then children, page number 15, students will do themselves. They will match the words with their pictures and it will be done in the book. Here children, like for example, you see this activity time here. Pinky the parrot, you have to match where is the parrot. See, this is the parrot. So against this you will write down number C like this. Don't draw lines like this. That will make your book untidy. Then hunter, where is the hunter? Can you see the hunter? He is the hunter. So write down number E here. That's all. Okay, rest you can do yourself. And you can also children color this monkey. This is your Chimpu, your friend Chimpu. You can color it. Children, that's all for today. Thank you very much.